นะคะ2อันดับแรกนะคะมันจะcollect คะแนนที่นักเรียนเปิดกล้องเรียนตลอดทั้งชั่วโมงนะคะ2นักเรียนมีการตอบคำถามนะคะแค่นักเรียนตอบคำถามตอบอะไรก็ได้จะตอบผิดตอบถูกแต่ว่ามีส่วนร่วมในการตอบคำถามในคลาสนักเรียนก็ได้คะแนนมันก็จะรันไปเรื่อยๆนะคะมันก็จะรันไปเรื่อยๆดังนั้นคะแนนตรงนี้มันก็จะเป็นคะแนนเก็บของนักเรียนพอสิ้นเทอมเราจะมีการรันเกรดออกมานะคะเด็กๆก็จะได้คะแนนตรงนี้เป็นตัวช่วยเกิดสมมติว่าสอบได้คะแนนไม่ดีนะคะแต่ทั้งนี้ทั้งนั้นคือส่งงานต้องครบนะคะส่งงานให้ครบแล้วคะแนนแล้วก็มีคะแนน participate ในห้องเรียนนะคะในชั้นเรียนดังนั้นถ้าใครอยากได้คะแนนนะคะนักเรียนต้องเปิดกล้องเรียนนะคะ6/4นะคะใครที่ยังไม่เปิดกล้องเดี๋ยวนี้เลยนะคะ
Let me see. I'm just trying to. Is Jaja? Yeah. Poon, are you Poon Poon? Is Poon Poon also a name for you?
I think ปันนะ teacher.
Bun.
Yes, ปัน.
Bun, not Poon. Bun. Got it. Bun. And we got Jean. Let me see. So there are some friends who I can't really read the names, unfortunately. So if you can change your name to English, I can read it and count you here and get you an extra point. Isaria, do you have another name that you go by? Namtan. All right, because look, let me show my screen now. Look at all of these points that you guys already have. Look at all those points you already have. If you're here, you get a point. Easy enough. If you're here and I don't have your point, let me know. If you're here, but I can't read your name, let me know. Because I want to give you the points for being here. Manu, I see you. So I can give you the point. Nooch. Nooch, do you have another name? There's Grape. Nooch, do you have another name?
โน้ตมีชื่ออื่นไหมโน้ตคะได้ยินทีเชอร์ไหมคะ
ไม่มียานีนุชค่ะ
ชื่ออะไรนะยานีนุช
ได้ยินค่ะ
No
Oh,
Nooch?
I think I might have put your name in wrong. I put your name in wrong. I put a Z. I will fix that. Yeah, I'll fix that. Edit class. Let me go down to your name. Nooch. And there we go. Oh, you edit. There you go. Now we have Nooch. My bad. Who else do we have? Anyone else that is not here? That way we don't have to go through our attendance anymore. I'll just see your name. Yes, Grace, there you are. Good job. Thank you for raising your hand. I love it. That's how you get the points for being here. Bye, Boa. Thank you. Tier, I see you. Easy points. Gracie, I see you here. All right, if I have your name wrong or if I have a different name for you, just let me know and I can fix it. Okay? Awesome. I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to use my phone app instead of the screen because it's a lot easier for me. Okay, let's get right into it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to continue learning about Galileo and what he did. And we're going to practice our writing. Okay, so today is going to be a lot of work, which means you can get a lot of points. Okay. Let me open this, Unit 5, Lesson 5 and 6. So what we're going to do today is we are going to read our passage again. And then we're going to correct the sentences. Okay. I think on Wednesday we went through this, but we didn't write it, did we? We didn't have time to write it. So today we're going to practice our writing. Okay. So let's listen. We're going to listen to it once and then I'll go through it again with highlighting important words. Okay.
Unit 5, Lessons 5 and 6. Galileo and his telescope.
Galileo was an Italian astronomer who lived a long time ago. He was one of the smartest astronomers in history. He was the very first astronomer to learn about the solar system with a telescope. One of the first things he looked at was the moon. He saw the deepest craters and the highest mountains on the moon with his telescope. Then, Galileo studied the planets. He looked at Mercury, the smallest planet, and Jupiter, the biggest planet. He discovered that the planets don't circle the Earth. They circle the sun. Galileo was the first person to see Jupiter's moons. There are 64 moons, but he didn't see all of them. He only saw 4 moons with his telescope. Then he saw something that looked like ears on the planet Saturn. He didn't know he saw the famous rings of Saturn. Some people think Galileo is the father of modern astronomy. In 1989, a spaceship started a trip to study Jupiter and its moons. The name of this spaceship was Galileo.
Cool. One more time, I'm going to highlight important words.
Unit 5, Lessons 5 and 6. Galileo and his telescope.
Nice job following along.
Galileo
friends.
was an Italian astronomer who lived a long time ago. He was one of the smartest astronomers in history. He was the very first astronomer to learn about the solar system with a telescope. One of the first things he looked at was the moon. He saw the deepest craters and the highest mountains on the moon with his telescope. Then, Galileo studied the planets. He looked at Mercury, the smallest planet, and Jupiter, the biggest planet. He discovered that the planets don't circle the Earth. They circle the sun. Galileo was the first person to see Jupiter's moons. There are 64 moons, but he didn't see all of them. He only saw 4 moons with his telescope. Then he saw something that looked like ears on the planet Saturn. He didn't know he saw the famous rings of Saturn. Some people think Galileo is the father of modern astronomy. In 1989, a spaceship started a trip to study Jupiter and its moons. The name of this spaceship was Galileo.
Very good. So now we have these false sentences. False. False means not true. Okay? False equals not true. So we need to correct them. Okay? What does this first sentence say? What does this first sentence say? Very good job, Zugas. There you go. Galileo was an artist. All right, what does number 2 say?
He didn't see the deepest craters.
Very good. I'm going to give a point to the whole class because I heard multiple people talking. What does number 3 say?
He studied Earth.
Very good job. Another point, guys. And number 4.
Galileo didn't see Jupiter's moon.
Yes, he did not see Jupiter's moons. Those are wrong. They're wrong. Let's see. We need to correct a couple of the things. So we need to correct this word. We need to correct this word, this one, and this one. Number 1, Galileo was an artist. He wasn't an artist. What was he?
Astronomer.
Yes, very good, Rich. I heard you first. Very good. Rich, where are you? There you are. He was an astronomer. So over here, let me move my little thing. We're going to write, we'll write them all in a minute. So don't worry about writing just yet. No. Right? He was an astronomer. He could have liked to do art, but he was an astronomer. All right, what about number 2? He didn't see the deepest craters. I don't know. Let's look at this second paragraph. One of the first things he looked at was the moon.
He saw the deepest craters.
Yes, and the highest mountains on the moon with his telescope. He saw the deepest craters. So we have to go back over here. He did see, right? So we can cross out didn't see and we can write the word saw, which means the past tense. He saw the deepest craters. All right, number 3, he studied Earth. He didn't just study Earth. Let's see, what does that first line say in our third paragraph?
Galileo studied the planets.
Yes, Galileo studied the planets. Good job, guys. So we got to go back over here and I'll write that. He studied all of the planets, right? Not just Earth. He studied the planets. Whoa, that's a terrible P. Planets. You guys are rocking and I'm so proud. And number 4, it says, Galileo didn't see Jupiter's moons. Let's go back into our third paragraph. Let's read from here. It says there are 64 moons, but he didn't see all of them.
He only saw 4 moons with his telescope.
Yes, good job. I heard multiple people. Everyone gets a point. All right, so he did see the moons. How many moons did he see?
4
moons. 4, very good. He saw 4 of Jupiter's moons. Okie dokie. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna zoom in. Boop. And I'm gonna pull up the answers and we're gonna write them. Okay, so I want you to get out your notebook. Get out your notebook. And we're gonna write the date, the topic, and the correct sentences. So what is today? What is today?
Friday.
Friday. It's Friday, Friday. Gotta get down on Friday.
26.
Yes, the 26th of November. Unit 5, Lesson 6, Galileo and his telescope.
Friday.
All right, and I'm gonna show all of the answers that we already figured out because you guys are so awesome. And I'm gonna give you guys 4 minutes to write these 4 sentences. Okay? Everyone got it? Let's do it. Nice job. Giving you guys points for being on task. Nice job. Who else do I see is on task? Ooh, so many friends are on task. I love seeing all of our videos on. I'm gonna give the whole class an on task point. You guys are just rocking it. So many points.
นักเรียนจดลงสมุดนะคะ
At the end of the class, I'll show you guys how many points you have. Two minutes. One minute.
Côเขาอันนี้อยู่ที่ใบงานไหนครับเว้ยจดลงสมุด
อันนี้ไม่มีใบงานค่ะ อันนี้ให้นักเรียนจดลงสมุดโลก
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. All righty. So now I'm gonna do some more writing, okay? I want you to draw the chart, okay? So they give you the left side, which is about Galileo, right? They give you the left side. Who? Galileo. Where? Italy. And then they give you 3 facts. These are called facts. He was an astronomer. He saw Jupiter's moons, well, 4 of them, right? And he saw craters on the moon. Okay, so go ahead and draw the chart and fill out the left side about Galileo. It's mostly the same facts that we just wrote. Okay, so it's just more practice. Just more practice. We are rocking and rolling today, y'all. I am so proud. Another point for being on task. I'm gonna give you guys 3 minutes to fill out the left side. We got who, where. Fact number 1, fact number 2, and fact number 3. They're basically the same things we just wrote, but it's very important to always practice our writing. The more we write, the better we write. The more we speak, the better we speak. About 2 minutes to fill out the chart.
นักเรียนคะเมื่อนักเรียนทำพาร์ทแรกเสร็จแล้วนะคะ ในข้อที่ 3นะคะให้นักเรียนวาดชาร์ตกรอบสี่เหลี่ยมอันนี้ลงไปในสมุดนะคะ ฝั่งซ้ายมือเขียนมันเขาเลยค่ะ who Galileo where Italy นะคะ แล้วก็ตามด้วย fact ก็คือข้อเท็จจริงเกี่ยวกับเขาเนี่ยมา3 ข้อนะคะส่วนฝั่งขวาเนี่ยก็คือเดี๋ยวให้เราหาของเราเองเป็นบุคคลที่มีชื่อเสียงนะคะเป็นข้อความเป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะอ่ะหนูวาดชาร์ตสี่เหลี่ยมลงไปในสมุดก่อนค่ะแล้วลอกข้อความลงไปเลยค่ะ
1 minute. Guys are doing great. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to look up and write about our own famous person. So it says, complete the chart about a famous person. Any famous person that you want. I want to know who they are, where they are from, and 3 facts about them. Okay? So I'm going to give you guys 10 minutes to go on to Google and research. Go on to Google and research any famous person you'd like. Tell me who they are, where they are from, and 3 facts about them. Okay, they don't even need to be complete sentences. See how on the left, they're not complete sentences, they're just facts. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 10 minutes to go onto Google and research a famous person. It can be a singer, it can be an actor, it can be a scientist, it can be an artist, it can be anybody that you want. They don't even need to be super famous. They can be like a small famous person, okay? So I want you guys to research. You got 10 minutes. Does that make sense? Everyone got it?
ใช่ไหมคะให้เวลา10 นาที ให้นักเรียนเสิร์ชหา famous person คือบุคคลที่มีชื่อเสียงเป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะคะ ไม่ว่าจะเป็นสายในเครือข่ายอะไรก็เป็นดาราเป็นนักร้องเป็นนักวิทยาศาสตร์เป็นนักบินเป็นอะไรก็ได้ที่ว่าเป็นคนมีชื่อเสียงนะคะ มา1 คนครูก็คือเขาคือใครชื่อของเขาค่ะ where ก็คือสถานที่ของเขาเป็นคนชาติไหนนะคะ ข้อที่1ข้อที่2ข้อที่3คือ fact ก็คือข้อเท็จจริง เกี่ยวกับสิ่งที่เป็นข้อเท็จจริงเกี่ยวกับเขานะคะเอามา3 ข้อไม่ต้องเขียนทั้งประโยคก็ได้ไม่ต้องเขียนทั้งประโยคก็ได้นะคะให้เวลา10 นาทีค่ะ
Okay, 10 minutes on the clock. Go ahead and research a famous person. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Y'all are doing great. Gotta give a point for working hard. Yeah. I think we'll even have time to do another fun YouTube game because we're getting through all of our work so quickly. Perhaps. Three more minutes, guys. Okay, 2 more minutes and 20 seconds. Very good. Okay, so I would like at least 3 friends to share which person they researched and the facts about them. Grace and Rich. Awesome. Grace, go ahead and go first. Which person did you pick?
ฟังชันสยันดัน
Who?
BTS
BTS. Okay. And where are they from?
South Korea
South Korea. Very good. And what are 3 facts about them?
They were the artist of the year 2021. They made very good songs. They produced their own music.
Oh, very good. Can you type up those 3 facts for us?
Yeah,
Thank you. Nice job, Grace. Gotta give you a point. You are awesome. Very good, very good. She's gonna type up her 3 facts. Ooh, if we can get more than 3, that's great too. And I love how she explained them all in English. They were the artist of the year in 2021. Do you guys like BTS? Yeah? I like BTS. They made very good songs, of course. They had to make good songs to be artist of the year. What's that third fact? Great job, guys. They produce their own music. Yes, they do. A lot of artists have people write their music for them, but not BTS. All right. Rich, go ahead, buddy. Who?
Einstein.
Einstein. Very cool. Einstein. Where was he from?
Germany.
From Germany. Very good. And what are 3 facts? Can you type them up or speak them and then type them?
Was a physicist.
Yes, he was a physicist. Meaning he studied physics. He studied the laws of nature, how things move, why they move. He invented the theory of relativity. Very good. It's a very in-depth theory about how all things in nature are connected. Very good, Rich. He received the 1321st Nobel Prize in Physics. Very good. Thank you, Rich. I gotta give you a point.
1921.
Oh, 1921. I was like, he could have been the 1300 person. Good job, Rich. Thank you for correcting that too. All right, Zugas, you're up. Who?
Johnson or the line.
Who?
Darwin Johnson.
Can you type it up? I can't quite hear you, buddy. It's just a little bit of feedback. Oh, Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. Yeah. And where was he from?
America.
America. Very good. And what are 3 facts about him? He was the WWE champion. Yes, he was. What does WWE stand for? He was an actor. Yes, he was in Moana. He was in a lot of movies. He was in the show Fast and the Furious. Very good. Yes, he was. Okay, that's all the time we have. But if you send a picture of your chart to teacher Tangwa, then I can give you a point. If they send you a screenshot, like a picture of their chart, then you can let me know, and then I can give them a point for completing.
โอเค
okay? Because we don't have enough time, but I did see like 4 other friends raise their hands, which I love to see. We're just out of time. So send a picture of your chart to teacher Tangwa.
โอเค นักเรียนค่ะในการส่งงานครั้งเนี้ยทิเชอร์แตงกวาจะขอให้นักเรียนแต่ละคนส่งเข้ามาให้ทิเชอร์แตงกวาทางแชทแล้วแจ้งชื่อชั้นเลขที่ได้ไหมคะ โดยที่เราไม่ปักหมุดในโน้ตเนื่องจากนะคะพอหนูส่งในโน้ตปุ๊บทิเชอร์ไม่สามารถดึงไฟล์ได้ทีเดียวต้องมาเซฟทีละอันแล้วก็นักเรียนบางคนไม่ได้เขียนชื่อชั้นเลขที่ในหน้ากระดาษที่หนูถ่ายมาให้ทีเชอร์เนี่ยก็ต้องมานั่งพิมพ์ชื่อชั้นเลขที่ให้ซึ่งมันก็จะเขาเรียกว่ามันจะหน่วงเวลาทีเชอร์นะคะในการเก็บงานดังนั้นขอให้นักเรียนนะคะแอดไลน์มาหาทีเชอร์แตงกวานะคะที่ ID ที่ทีเชอร์พิมพ์เข้าไปในแชทบ็อกซ์นะคะจากนั้นนะคะให้หนูส่งรูปชาร์ตเข้ามาแจ้งชื่อเป็นภาษาอังกฤษเอาเป็นชื่อเล่นภาษาอังกฤษนะคะเป็นนิกเนมclass number แล้วก็ class อย่างเช่น6อันนี้เป็น6/4ใช่ไหมอาจจะเพิ่มลิสต์เลขที่เท่าไหร่นะ40ปะ
ใช่ครับ40
ถ้าเป็น list add มาแทนที่ชั้นกว่า list ส่งรูปภาพชาร์ตเข้ามาจากนั้นเขียน rich RICH number 40แล้วก็ P6/4 ส่งมาให้ทีเชอร์ดังกว่าในไลน์ทีเชอร์เลยนะคะไลน์ทีเชอร์โดยตรง direct มาหาทีเชอร์โดยตรงเลยนะคะในไลน์ทีเชอร์เลยนะคะเดี๋ยวทีเชอร์ดังกว่าจะแคปหน้าจอแล้วก็จะส่งต่อให้ทีเชอร์เอมิลี่เพื่อที่ทีเชอร์เอมิลี่เนี่ยจะสามารถพุชสกอร์ให้นักเรียนได้นักเรียนเข้าใจไหมคะ
Only if they want the point. They don't have to, but if they want the point, then they can send it to you.
ถ้านักเรียนคนไหนอยากได้คะแนนเพิ่มให้นักเรียนทำตามที่ทีเชอร์บอกก็คือแอดไลน์มาหาทีเชอร์ดังกว่าส่งรูปภาพมานะคะรูปภาพที่หนูทำแล้วก็เขียนชื่อเล่นภาษาอังกฤษชั้นเลขที่แต่ถ้านักเรียนคนไหนไม่อยากได้คะแนนไม่ต้องส่งก็ได้ลูกไม่บังคับแต่ว่าในสมุดต้องมีใบงานทำนะคะในสมุดต้องมีจดงานลงไปนะคะเพราะว่าเราจะเรียกเก็บสมุดสุกัสส่งมาแล้วโอเคเดี๋ยวทีเชอร์โชว์ให้ดูนะคะMoment please teacher
Yeah
โอเคอย่างนี้นะคะนักเรียนเห็นหน้าจอของทีเชอร์แตงกวาไหมอันนี้จะเป็นที่สุกัสส่งมาให้ทีเชอร์เลยก็จะมีภาพถ่ายของชาร์ตแบบนี้นะคะแล้วก็ด้านล่างนะคะด้านล่างสุกัสเขาจะเขียนสุกัสแล้วก็ P6/4 number 24แบบนี้ทีเชอร์ก็สามารถแคปหน้าจอแล้วก็ส่งต่อให้ทีเชอร์อีมิลี่ได้เลยนักเรียนเข้าใจไหมลูก
เข้าใจค่ะ
โอเคค่ะ thank you เด็กๆค่ะ
And then your homework is page 28 and 29. So you're going to use the chart on 29 to answer the questions on page 28. Okay? Page 28 and 29. And we can go over those on Wednesday when we meet again.
อันนี้คือการบ้านวันนี้นะคะในเวิร์กชีตหน้าที่28ลักษณะมันจะเป็นแบบนี้เรียนดูหน้าจอนะมันจะเป็นแบบนี้นะในกล้องทีเชอร์แตงกวานะซึ่งนักเรียนจะต้องไปดูข้อมูลในหน้าที่29แล้วเอามาตอบคำถามในหน้าที่28นะคะเด็กๆโอเคค่ะทีเชอร์
Awesome. Thank you guys. Here, let me show you your points before we go. Look at this. Look at all those points. You guys got 8 points, 7 points. Rich, you got 11. Zugas, you got 12. You guys are awesome. Okay, I cannot wait to see how many points you guys get this year. Okay, very, very, very proud of you. All right, let's sing our thank you song and be done. Thank you. Thank you.
I want to thank you. Thank you so much.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
Bye everyone.
โอเคเด็กๆอย่าลืมนะคะถ้าใครอยากได้คะแนนเพิ่มอย่าลืมส่งมานะทีเชอร์ไปแล้วนะ